Good evening to you. You're welcome, Mr. Wonderland, Pastor Conley, Raphael, Ipinulu, Ezekiel, Mr. Muda, Prosper. Yeah, John is not here. Okay, so today we are going to continue, still referencing our learning part. So today we are going to be checking out fundamental analysis. We're going to be checking out fundamental analysis. So let's quickly check that. Okay, we're going to be checking out fundamental analysis. So I want to make this announcement. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe so that we can learn together. We're going to be dropping at least 2 videos every week. 2 videos every week, because our class, we have it twice every week. We have our class twice every week. Thursday and Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So kindly subscribe, kindly share this video. They are like this video, as in, we have a lot of value that has been put together, and we are going to be sharing it here. So that's Zaibada. Thank you. Right. So let's check out our. So this is our learning path for today. This is what we are going to be learning for today. We have the technical analysis. We are going to look at the introduction. But there's something I want us to check. Okay, this is the learning part. So I want to flash back to our learning part. Now, look at this learning part. You see, learning part. We are going to be learning technical/fundamental sentiment analysis. Tonight, what we are going to be doing is to learn the technical analysis. We're going to be learning technical analysis. So we are going to be taking this thing one after the other. We are not going to rush. We are not going to rush anything. All we are after is to add value. All we are after is to learn and to grow. We are not competing with anybody. I'm only competing with myself. You're only competing with yourself. So it's a personal race. But because it's a personal race, that does not mean that we're not going to learn, from one another. That does not mean we are not going to be meeting with one another. Are we getting it now? So it's as important, as it's very, very important. Yeah. All right. So let's go to learning for two. Okay. Technical analysis. Yeah. So we're going to be looking at technical analysis. So introduction to technical analysis. Number 1, pay attention, please. Technical analysis is a method of evaluating securities by analyzing statistical patterns and trends in their price movement. In forex, technical analysis helps traders predict future price movements and make informed trading decisions. Technical analysis is like what must be done before you execute trade. If you have not done your technical analysis, then executing trade will be equals to gambling. If you have not done your technical analysis as a forex trader or as a financial trader, let me say financial trader, because you can trade anything, you can trade crypto, stock, whatever, you can trade anything. But as a financial trader, if you have not done your technical analysis, then the execution of your trade will be equals to gambling. It's as simple as that. So technical analysis helps you as a trader. It helps you to evaluate securities. It helps you to evaluate your currency pairs. It helps you. And how do you evaluate? How do you do your technical analysis? You go to your MT5 or MT4 or TradingView. There are other platforms you can use. Well, I'm only mentioning these 3. MT4, you can do your analysis on MT4 or MT5 or TradingView. Are we getting it now? So you can do it. You can do it on any, you can do it on any platform. But these 3 I'm mentioning, that's the ones I've been using. At least I've used MT5. I've done my analysis on MT5, TradingView, and the MT4 as well. Very important. So technical analysis is very, very important. You can never have a successful trade, without technical analysis. It's just like a fuel. Without fuel, how will you drive your car? Will you push it? No. Alright. So it will help you to make informed trading decisions, and you can predict future price movement based on past history. Let me put it that way. There are three main types of charts used in technical analysis. Alright, so there are three main types of charts that we use in technical analysis. Number one is line charts. When we get to practical session, I'm going to show you this. Because of the limited time that we have tonight, I will not be able to show that. But from the word line, instead of seeing candles, you are going to be seeing line. That will be showing the price movement or the past price movement of your currency pairs. It could be Euro USD, it could be USD card, it could be AUD USD, it could be any kind of currency pairs. It could be any kind of currency pairs. So now, line chart is just a chart that you can actually carry out your technical analysis on. But many people may not prefer it. Why? Because it may not be easy for them to read, or it may not be, it may not be readable. Let me put it like that. Like they may not understand how to read their line chart. The another one we have is bar chart, to display the high, low, open, and close prices for each trading period. Some people, they prefer to use bar chart, but bar chart is, is more like, is the old chart. Let me put it that way. So, but the candlestick chart is similar to bar chart, but with a more visual representation of price movement. So, this candlestick chart now, you can actually use it to carry out your technical analysis. Now, it will help you to read the price movement. It will help you to do your analysis. You can check the trend, the market trend. You can check the market structure. Like I said, I think there was a time I was talking about the market structure. I think we have like three types. We have the uptrend market structure, the downtrend market structure, and the sideways market structure, or let's say consolidating market structure or ranging market structure. So this candlestick chart will help you to do your analysis. And as you do your analysis, it is called technical analysis. The analysis that is done, when you read your candlestick, when you read your market structure, when you read your resistance, you read your support, you read your you are trying to read the open of the market, the close of the market. There are many things to read. You are still doing technical analysis. It's as simple as that. So, okay, there's support and resistance here. Yeah, support and resistance levels are key concepts in technical analysis. Support and resistance levels are key concepts in technical analysis. Support levels are prices where buying pressure is strong enough to reverse a downtrend, while resistance levels are prices where selling pressure is strong enough to reverse an uptrend. Now, support is always a point whereby the buying pressure is strong enough to reverse a downtrend. I don't know if you are getting it. When the buying pressure is strong enough to reverse a downtrend, while the resistance is at the top. The support is at the bottom. So your support is equals to your demand, and your resistance is equals to your supply. So resistance level are prices where your selling pressure is strong enough to reverse an uptrend. Yes, so resistance is up. So at that time, when prices reverse, then it will become a what? It will become a supply. You can sell from that place. I don't know if you are getting. Alright. So that's very bad. Alright, so I'm going to send the picture of support and resistance of the group now. I'm going to send it. So now if you look at this, can you see this? See your resistance up, resistance level. So this resistance level, this is also called your supply, where you can actually sell from. You can sell from here. Then this is your support. Look at this support. This is your support, where you can buy from. That is your support level, where you can always buy from. That's the support level. So it's as simple as that. So when you are doing this, you're actually carrying out your technical analysis. Here you have your supply. Here you have your demand zone. Here your supply zone. Here your demand zone. So your demand zone is equals to your support level, and your resistance level is equals to your supply zone. Are we getting it now? So that's the technical analysis. All right. So I'm going to send it to the group right now. So I think okay. So I think that's very about that. Then you can identify how to identify support and resistance level. Okay, what's this? Identify support and resistance levels help traders. Yes. When you're able to identify your support and resistance, it will help you as a trader. It will help you to know where to sell. It will help you to know where to buy. It will help you to know your demand. It will help you to know your supply. It's as simple as that. So it will help you to identify potential trading opportunities. You don't need to crack your brain. Look at the previous history. Is this place a supply zone? Is this place a resistance zone? Mark it. Then, if there's a touch and you have multiple weak rejection, at that region, you can sell from there. Then, if you come back to support, this support level, is there any previous support level? Mark it. Then join it together. If there's another touch in front, or the current price is forming, and then you see in that region, at that level, you see that same thing that was done before is doing, that thing is actually happening again. Mark it, and then you can actually buy from there. That becomes your support level, and you can always that's your demand on where you can buy from. It's as simple as that. Then we have indicators. Technical indicators are mathematical calculations where mathematical calculation based on price and or volume data. Common indicators include, so we want to look at common indicators. We have moving averages, smooth out price fluctuation, and identify trends. Yes, moving averages. I think I will send that to the group and show you now. Relative strength index. We have the Bollinger Bands. All these indicators, they are also to help you with your technical analysis. It's as simple as that. They are to help you with your what? With your technical analysis. They have to help you with your technical analysis. Now, let's check. Okay, let me see. Right. I have yeah, this is your moving averages. Look at it. Look at this blue line. So it means that whenever you see when your candle closes above this moving average, you can always buy, and when your candle closes below it, you can always sell. Technical analysis. Alright, it's as simple as that. So then you can, when you get assignment I'm going to be giving us is that the relative, the RSI and the Bollinger Bands. Go and find out how it works, and then the pictorial representation You can always have that. You can always have that. You can check Google. You can ask ChatGPT. You can ask AI. You always get a result. That's just it. So indicators help traders confirm trading decisions and identify potential trading opportunities. They also serve as confluences. Conclusion. All right. Technical analysis is a powerful tool for forex traders. By understanding charts, support and resistance levels, and indicators, you can make more informed decisions. So when we get to practical session, we are going to see the thing. We are going to see it. It's going to be, it's going to be direct. So, but all these things that we are doing now is just to prepare ourselves, to prepare our mind, prepare our heart, so that when you hear it, you know that your mind can always connect. So I think we are going to be this class we end at this point. So your questions, your contributions, I want to see it on the group. That's how we are going to be doing it. I want to see it on the group. Send your voice note. Send your, you can type as well. So I'm going to be, we are going to, not only me, we have Pastor Femi is not around today. So we will also be answering some questions. I will also be answering questions. So, and I want us to read. Let's read our lecture notes. Let's read it and let's make more research. Let's leverage on ChatGPT. Ask a question, a direct question from ChatGPT, how this work, and so on and so forth. It's as simple as that. So, and you can watch this video again and again. If you do not understand anything, you can listen to it again and again and ask your questions. Very, very important. Very, very important. Thanks so much. Subscribe to this channel, like this channel, share this channel, share it with your friend, and then comment. I want to see your comments. I want to see your comment, and I will reply. I will be replying to your comments. And if you want to join this weekly, if you want to join our weekly class, a weekly tutorial, we are going to, it's just twice in a week, more on Thursday and Friday, from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's when we have our class. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So join us and let us learn together and grow together. Alright, see you next time. God bless you.